Thank you for coming. So I'm gonna give you my review on this resin cure. I bought this off of Amazon for like $60, and it comes with different pieces on there, as you see here. Um, I like it in a way. It do cure the resin fast, but the part that I don't like is the inside. The inside, I guess, because they have this circle in the middle, it's not fully leveled. So when you put the mold in, it's lopsided. Because you know, like the epoxy is self-leveling. So when you have it right here, it'd be lopsided. And I know you have to have it on a flat surface, and I do. So I know that's not the issue. My flat surface is these. Now, I tried it twice, and the first time I put it in there regular from the very beginning, and it was lopsided. The second time I had it sitting out for about an hour and then added it into here, and it worked. Will I use this again? No. I'm not gonna say it's a bad product. It's just not for me. Maybe because of the slants inside. Will I try a different brand? I would. So I might look into a different brand to get and try it out. If you have one of these, then just put down below which one you have, and I'll probably get another one and give it a try. I can say this was like $60, but however, these are just dehydrators. So if you got a dehydrator that you're not using, you can use that as a epoxy cure, because this is exactly what this is. The same one is on Amazon, and it's labeled as a dehydrator, and it's labeled as a resin cure. So I bought the one that said resin cure. After I realized it's definitely a dehydrator, but it comes with different parts. So I will use it, let my pieces sit out for a little while, and then once it start curing, I will put it in here and let it finish up, and then you can pop it out in like 2 hours and move on to the molds. If you only have a second selected number of molds, this is good to do. But I will give it it's just not for me, but it's a good product for people that has to push out a lot of orders, and you just let them sit for a little bit and then put it in here. But I will give another one a try. Thank you for watching.